Are sleepless nights becoming all too common for you during menopause? You're not alone. Many women face sleep disturbances during this transition. Hi, I'm Dr. Jen. Today we'll talk about effective strategies for overcoming sleep during menopause and perimenopause. We'll discuss natural remedies, supplements, hormone replacement therapy, and really why this actually happens. During menopause, the body undergoes significant hormonal changes, particularly a decline in estrogen and progesterone levels. These hormones play crucial roles in regulating sleep and maintaining body temperature. Reducing estrogen can lead to hot flashes, night sweats, which really disrupt your sleep. Hot flashes, which are really characteristic of like sweating and a feeling of warmth, can occur during the day or night, but they often lead to awakenings and make it difficult to return back to sleep. This is because the thermoregulatory zone in the brain likes to keep things at a certain temperature. It's like your house thermometer. At home, you like it between 68 and 72, and when you get through menopause, it narrows and becomes like 68 to 68.5. Additionally, lowering estrogen and progesterone levels may contribute to sleep apnea, which can also make it difficult to sleep. Progesterone works at the brain or in the brain at the GABA receptors to help calm the brain down, to get you to sleep, to keep you asleep. Other hormones are always trying to wake you up, such as cortisol, and progesterone helps you stay asleep and stay calm. Understanding these physiological changes will really help you understand how to find a good solution. So let's dive into solutions. We'll start first with natural remedies that may alleviate these symptoms. Black cohosh, traditionally used to treat hot flashes and night sweats, can work to help make better sleep. Valerian root, which is known for relaxation, it's an herb, helps improve sleep quality. And hops. Hops is actually really known to get you to sleep, but also keep you asleep. And then lastly, ashwagandha is an adaptogen, and it really helps support stress and help with stress management. Passion flower and chamomile also are wonderful to make like a tea for helping you sleep at night. I personally love Gaia Herbs, and that's a company I choose all the time when I recommend herbal supplements to my patient. Incorporate herbs into this daily routine can help you really understand how to get good, adequate sleep, but you should always consult your healthcare provider to make sure those supplements are right for you. So now let's kind of look into supplements. Magnesium glycinate helps support relaxation, helps improve sleep quality. Melatonin, a very common supplement people use, helps to regulate that sleep daytime cycle. And L-theanine is an amino acid found in tea leaves that helps promote relaxation without drowsiness. Before starting any supplement, you should definitely consult your healthcare professional just to make sure it doesn't interact with any medications that you're taking. For some people, hormone replacement therapy is the option. In fact, I think hormone replacement therapy is fantastic for a lot of different symptoms of menopause, particularly in sleep. So we use progesterone, and you take progesterone at night to help you get to sleep and stay asleep. It also helps with regulating, heart palpitations, joint pain, several other different indications. Please see my video on hormone replacement therapy if you want more information. Combining these with a good sleep hygiene routine will work even better. So limit caffeine at night. Make sure your room is nice and dark and cool. Making sure you don't have blue lights or your phones. Everybody's tempted to be on your phone right at night. Making sure you're not actually doing that will help kind of sync your circadian rhythm correctly so that you'll get adequate sleep. So now we've talked about supplements, herbs, hormone replacement therapy, and good sleep hygiene. I hope this video helps make your sleep better in menopause. Please like and subscribe and share this with others.